So hey everybody, this is going to be a wig review. I did pick up this wig by Freetress Equal in the style V-004. Looks like this. It is supposed to be V-shaped, deluxe lace front, and I got the color SOP 26613, and it basically is this one right here. So this is it straight out of the packaging. It lays flat. I have not done anything to this besides cut the lace off and take it out the packaging. I just want to jump basically right into this review just because it doesn't have too many cons, so I'm actually really excited. So ignore all of this around my forehead. I literally just took off a 360 unit and I got this in and I was like, let's try her on, shall we? So this is the unit. I'm going to move back just so you guys can see. The only thing that I have an issue with is the fact that the back is not dark roots. This unit is dark roots all the way through except for the very back. Like, why would you do that? Freetress Equal, why would you do that? Like, you got the whole wig dark roots. It's actually perfect besides this. Like, why would you do that? It never fails. When there is a good synthetic lace front wig, something always goes wrong. Whether it's the color, the roots, something is always wrong with it. I can say that this part is actually really good, and I feel like you don't really need to do much to it besides maybe put your concealer or foundation on it because it's already a decent size. And you don't need to pluck it, which is also a good thing. This hair is super thick. It is like a yaki texture. I'm gonna move a little bit closer just so you guys can see the texture. And this is the cap construction. The combs in it, like the placement, is a little weird because there's only one comb at the top and then one comb on the side, which normally there's two combs on the front. But I don't know what's up with that. But this is a really secure wig. Again, the texture is kind of like a light yaki, but the color is really pretty. It is really soft. I actually really do like the color combo for this unit. It's super long, it's thick. It definitely gives off the illusion of bundles and a closure. I love the soft wave. One other thing that I am really gritting my teeth about this wig is the fact that it is a shedder. Like, I pulled out all this hair. Like, it is a shedder. Normally long units are shedders, and I do see this unit getting tangled pretty fast because it is super long, but I do love the density of it. It's super thick. If you have a bigger head than me, because I do have a small head, I have a petite size head if you want to get into like wig measurements. Yeah. Really? So I would be classified as, stop Ronnie. Sorry. So I would basically be classified as like a petite size head, but if you have like an average size head or a large head, this is definitely a unit you might want to look into, especially if you like a lot of hair, because this is a lot of hair. Even though it looks thin, this is a lot of hair and it's super long. It's super soft actually. It just sheds really bad. Like, I'm still pulling out hair. Crazy. How long the unit is. This is about 24 to 26 inches. And it's actually colored really nice. I'm actually impressed with the coloring of this wig because normally blonde wigs, they'll come with like those bluish roots. This definitely does not come with like the bluish roots. It's actually really natural looking, except for the fact that this hair in the back does not have dark roots. Again, it has dark roots all the way through except for the very back. So overall, I definitely give this unit like a C rating because shedding is very annoying, and I can see that this wig is definitely going to start tangling soon. And also I love the fact that it's realistic. Maybe I give this like a B+. This, to me, this unit is nice. You can do a lot with this. I wish it came with a little bit more baby hair for you to work with. You are going to have to customize if you want baby hair. If not, then I think this wig will be good to go straight out of the packaging. So again, I give this unit like a B+ C rating, just off the strength of the shedding and that it does not have dark roots in the back. If you are looking at this color, if this hair was like a 1 or a 1B, I would probably rock this everywhere, because yeah, this is actually really, really nice and pretty. It's soft, it just sheds. And then another thing is, I wish the hairline was a little bit more natural, and it doesn't even really give you room to pluck it to even make it a little thinner. So that's another thing. This unit does come with like Swiss lace, so it comes with like the stretchy thin lace. It's not hard lace. Other than that, like I said, I think this unit is actually really, really pretty and nice and thick. The only thing is the shedding and the dark roots in the back, but other than that, I like it. It definitely gives me that Barbie doll type of look that is really in right now, and I've definitely been feeling the blonde hair right now too. So I think this will be really pretty for summer and spring. Let me know what you guys think if you've ordered this unit. Again, this is the V-004 by Freetress Equal, and I got this from divatress.com. You like it like this? Yeah. Come here. Come get on camera.
Yeah. They can't see me.
Come here.
They can't see me.
Yes, they can.
No, they can't.
Look who it is.
There's Gene.
Look who it is. He got so big.
Stop.
Do y'all remember when he was a baby?
Stop it, Gene.
I remember when you were a baby. Handing me wigs and videos. So yeah, so let me know what you guys think about this unit, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Bye bye. Wait, what's Gene?